In the heart of Johannesburg, every flicker of light, every hum of an appliance, every spark of innovation is powered by a network that stretches across our city. But behind the seamless flow of energy lies a commitment to keep our lights on, our home safe, and our business thriving. At City Power, we understand that electricity isn't just a service, it's a lifeblood of our daily lives. Yet to ensure a reliable power supply, we must invest in its upkeep. Planned maintenance isn't just a precaution, it's a promise. A promise to prevent unexpected outages, to safeguard our infrastructure, and to build a resilient future. Every planned maintenance effort is a step towards a stronger, more reliable Johannesburg. It's about fixing before it fails, ensuring that our city remains vibrant and our communities stay connected. We recognize that communication is key. That's why we're committed to keeping you informed through real-time updates, community engagements, and transparent dialogues. Your patience during these maintenance periods isn't just appreciated, it's vital. Josie Powered, keeping the lights on through planned maintenance. Together, we're not just maintaining infrastructure, we're powering progress.